Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Does Novo Bank have CashApp? Now, before I get into the answer, I want to talk a little bit about why this question is important. CashApp is a really popular mobile payment app, and it's used by millions of people all over the world. So, if you're thinking about using Novo Bank, it's important to know if you'll be able to use CashApp with it. So, does Novo Bank have CashApp? The answer is no, Novo Bank does not have CashApp. This is because Novo Bank is a relatively new bank, and it hasn't yet partnered with CashApp. However, Novo Bank is growing quickly, and it's possible that they will partner with CashApp in the future. In the meantime, there are a few other ways that you can use CashApp with Novo Bank. One option is to use a third-party app like Venmo or Zelle. These apps allow you to transfer money between bank accounts, and you can use them to send and receive money from people who have CashApp. Another option is to use a prepaid debit card. You can link your prepaid debit card to your CashApp account, and then you can use it to make purchases and withdraw cash. Finally, you can use a virtual card. Virtual cards are digital cards that you can use online or over the phone. You can link your virtual card to your CashApp account, and then you can use it to make purchases without having to provide your actual card number. So, there you have it. Novo Bank does not have CashApp, but there are still a few ways that you can use CashApp with Novo Bank. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new about Novo Bank and CashApp. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.